Happy Sunday, you guys. Welcome back. I wish I could say that I woke up in a super productive mood this morning, but that is not the case at all. It is so hot today and I could easily just spend the entire day at the pool. But our house is a bit of a mess, and because I work from home, if I start the week off in a space that's cluttered and disorganized, it just makes me feel a bit more stressed and way less productive. So I'd much rather just spend a bit of time today making sure that I'm feeling ready for the week, and yeah, hopefully this gives you some motivation to have a bit of a Sunday reset yourself. So I can put this on in the background and let's get some stuff done.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over 10 feet forward. Never knew I could sleep alone good, I've never been better. You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Remember when you tried putting up a fight? Bet you feel stupid. Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing. Damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. I hate to hate someone, but you make it so easy. Make it so damn easy. I hate to say I won, but you're the one who needs me, and I'm the one who's leaving. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell.
Matt and I have literally just been chilling for the past couple of hours, but it's a lot cooler now, so we are going to take the dogs for a walk, and then I'm going to come back and do a bit of planning.
You give a little love with a little sun, everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts, everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy, I don't understand how you...
Right, we're back from our walk. It was so beautiful. I'm so glad that we went. We almost didn't go because it looked like a storm was building up, so we were in 2 minds about it, but I'm so glad that we decided to go because it was honestly just so beautiful. Anyway, so I usually just like to look at my week just so that I can sort of visually see what's going on. I'll usually just use Google Calendar to do a bit of time blocking, and then I also like to plan my meals and if I'm shooting or editing any content. I feel like doing this on a Sunday just helps with any sort of anxiety that I might be feeling about the upcoming week. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna do a bit of meal prepping, more like ingredient prepping, and then I'm gonna wind down for the night and just have some chill time with Matt.